Hey, I'm Lade, and if you're wondering how long it takes to start teaching on Twenix, the answer is honestly, not long at all. For me, the entire process was surprisingly quick and smooth. From the moment I found the application link on a job board to taking my first class, the entire process took about 2 weeks. It all started with a simple application directly on Twenix's website, no web third-party signups or confusing steps. Then came the video task, which I genuinely enjoyed. The instructions were super clear and I got mine done in about 20 minutes. Then I received feedback in just 3 days, and from that moment, everything went quickly from there. Next up was the onboarding course, which I finished in around 5 hours total. My tip, block out a few hours, take short breaks, and just get it done in one go if you can. It really helps you stay focused. Now, here's the best part. Once I opened up my availability, I got 4 classes booked within 24 hours and started teaching the very next day. Yup, it was that fast and I haven't looked back since then. So if you're thinking of joining Twenix, just know that the entire process is simple, efficient, and designed to get you teaching as quickly as possible without all the hassle.